colourful mate and to inspire. And those aims are just as true this year as they were last. One of the Red Arrows' main aims is to inspire the next generation of pilots, engineers, especially those interested in STEM subjects, science, technology, engineering and maths. But to all of you out in the audience today, we hope we can inspire you with our formation flying. Let you try and follow your dreams just like we did. Join me in wishing Damo and his family all the best with their new arrival. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Red Arrows! Leading the formation over in big battle formation, the red, white and blue smoke standing out well against the skies here at Miramar. As the aircraft bank around to the left, red one calls them into short diamond formation. The coloured smoke changing to white as the aircraft take their positions. Leading the formation is red one squadron leader Martin Pert. Martin is a former Harrier and Typhoon pilot. He's instructed on the Hawk and is in his second year as the team leader. Bringing short diamond in from the left-hand side, the smoke about to come on. Everyone speaking with a very patriotic cadence on the radio. The other pilots are reacting to the rhythm and the tone of his commands, rather than the movement of his aircraft, which keeps the line dedicated to a moment in history. That one is particularly pertinent for our tour in the US. It's to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the moon landings. In from the right-hand side, the aircraft are moving into Apollo.
No.
With that low cloud in the middle of the display area, red one electing to move into the flat display. As Apollo moves off to our left-hand side, the shape representing the profile of the Apollo landing craft. Well, as Apollo moves off to our left-hand side, we're about to celebrate another moment in history. It's another anniversary. This time the 50th anniversary since the first flight of the marvellous design and feat of engineering, the supersonic airliner, which was, of course, Concorde. Red 1 bringing the aircraft round in from the front. Reds 8 and 9 will look like the engines underneath Concorde as they bring it in from the centre, about to bend to the left for the Concorde pass.
Now.
With 5 aircraft in line abreast and red 6 and 7 tucked in behind, it's Phoenix. To the left of red 1 in Phoenix is red 3 squadron leader Mike Bowden. Mike has previously flown the Harrier and the Tornado. He's instructed on the Hawk and has flown 5 seasons on the Red Arrows. Now in from the left-hand side, the coloured smoke about to come back on in Phoenix. Those lights come on towards us as red 1 reverses the turn to the right. The smoke trailing from the tailplane of Lancaster. Now in our rolling and full shows, red 1 rolls the Lancaster formation. Lancaster, of course, not well known for its aerobatic abilities, but it's always rolled by the famous test pilot Alex Henshaw in the UK in World War II. Representing the combat aircraft recently retired from the Royal Air Force after 3 decades of frontline service, it's time for Tornado. Here they come, get those cameras ready. Aboard calls Red 9 as Reds 8 and 9 put the coloured smoke on, rolling around the smoke with the rest of the formation. Red 1 about to bend the aircraft to the left, changing smoke colour as they go. Let's hear it for Tornado. Well, the end of Tornadoes. Enid, break, break, go, calls Red 1. Here come the rear section. Spectacular detonator, keep your eyes on Red 6 and 7. The colored smoke changing to white as they stay down low. On the right is Red 6 Flight Lieutenant Toby Keeley. Toby previously flew the Tornado GR4, he's instructed on the Hawk and is in his final year on the team. He's being chased down by Red 8 on the right, on the left is Red 7 being chased down by Red 9. They've got a closing speed of over 700 miles an hour, they'll pass 100 feet apart in the spectacular Jippo Pass. Center, and those lights will come on to us. They'll reverse the turn, crossing 100 feet apart in the Cyclone. Keeping the turn going, Red 6 and 7 pulling hard towards each other. They're about to cross once more, sniffing the smoke in slingshot. Look out to the front right, here comes Enid. They've dropped into an inverted V formation. Red 9 about to fly straight through the middle in the goose. Pulling up to the vertical with the red, white and blue smoke is Red 9 Flight Lieutenant Dan Bowes. Dan is a former Typhoon pilot and weapons instructor. He's in his 3rd and final year on the team. Red 1 leading Enid section off to the left-hand side, the coloured smoke changing to white as he makes way for the synchro pair and number 8. As the smoke on the left goes off, look straight ahead for the 3 nose lights of 6, 7 and 8. The coloured smoke is about to come on for Vortex. Up through the middle of Vortex is Red Flight Lieutenant Chris Linden-Smith. This is a former Tornado pilot. He's flown as an operator on the Hawk and has flown in the most number of positions on the radar using for their next opposition manoeuvre. On the right is Red 6. He'll roll inverted down the line. Red 7 the right way round. They will switch as they cross in the vice versa. As 6 and 7 continue down the line, the white smoke is about to go off. They'll pitch crowd rear to make way for Illusion. smoke back on. They're closing once more. Over 700 miles an hour, they'll pass 100 feet apart, pulling hard into the turn, crossing 3 times in the carousel. As they cross the back, the smoke colour will change, leaving a red and blue half in the circle. Red 1 at the top, Red 5 at the bottom. Red 1 manoeuvring them into a right-hand bend, Red 5 at the bottom, moving his aircraft out with the rudder like a pendulum for the line astern pass. And the Red Arrows normally we fly with the even numbers on the right and the odd numbers on the left. Red 1 has just called them into a reverse formation. This time, even numbers on the left, odd on the right. Well, to fix that, he'll call them through a maneuver called the slalom. As the smoke goes off, here they go. Back onto the correct side in battle formation, the coloured smoke about to come on, ready for the battle pass. Now each of our aircraft and the Red Arrows has red, white and blue smoke available from a tank underneath the aircraft. The smoke is operated by 3 buttons on the control stick. We have 1 minute of red, 1 minute of blue and 5 minutes of white smoke. With Red 2 missing from this formation, the team adjusts the colours to make them symmetrical and shapes as even. Rolling around them in corkscrew. As corkscrew finishes to our left-hand side. Well, it's non-stop action. Keep looking out to the left. Here's the nose lights of Enid section. As they run in, we'll have symmetrical rolls from the inside to the outside of the formation, changing smoke colour as we go in the rollbacks. 2 and 3 roll go. Of course, just Red 3 in the formation today as he rolls in. The clear go call comes for Reds 4 and 5 to roll. Come on, ready for the spectacular Jippo break. Red 7, Flight Lieutenant John Bond. John has previously instructed on the Tucano. He displayed the aircraft in 2012. He then joined the Typhoon Force and flew on the front line before joining the Red Arrows last year. John will take over as the synchro leader next year. In from the left is 7, in from the right is 6. They're going to roll towards each other twice in the cleverly named double rolls. Straight ahead of you. It's time for the spectacular Vixen break. Ladies and gentlemen, you've been watching the Red Arrows! Arrows! Red 1 keeping the height down with a low cloud base for the Vixen break. His smoke comes back on to attract the other aircraft. They'll switch sides as they join him. Ready for recovery back in here to Miramar. The 8 jets coming in for a sequence break. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have been touring the US for 8 weeks now. We have 3 weeks left on our tour. It is a great honor for us to display here at Miramar, especially along with our great friends in the Blue Angels and all the other talented performers here at the show. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Stars and Stripes break. Well, as the aircraft break in numerical order, they'll stack up downwind before turning final, reforming on the runway and taxiing back in formation. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's been our privilege to display for you today. Thank you for watching the show. Thank you for listening to me. And all that remains for me to do is to wish you all the very best from all of us in Great Britain, in the Royal Air Force, and the Red Arrows.
Rope rider.
Yes, indeed.
You needed to bring it up a little bit, I think. I tried anything.
Well, certainly, that's a
Little touch of
gorgeous,
Little
touch of
A
class.
lot of class.
Yes, indeed.
Ready for tea.
And to have this wonderful contrast between what we've seen and what we're about to see.
Yeah, we're going to unleash a whole lot of America coming up here. Just
We surely are.
Yeah, well, we got to love the red, white, blue tribute there. And that was Squadron Leader Adam Collins. He is Red Arrow number 10. He is a gentleman and just an all-around great guy. And we're glad to have him here. I really think he's 50% of that show, don't you? I mean, at least 50% of the show. So a big round of applause for Adam Collins, again, the Red Arrow number 10, who narrated that entire performance without music, without a net. A brave man. And here they are, the Hawks, making their way back in. Stephanie Strickland, by the way, is standing out here, who is the queen of social media, and she's grabbing the microphone real quickly here. Just to tell you about all the hashtags, the Twitter-hated things, and all of that stuff. Steph, welcome. It is hashtag #1 air show. Yeah, hashtag #1 air show.
Hashtag
There you go.
#1 air show. That is what we are looking at. We've had a really great day. We had a chance to do a Facebook Live with the C-17 coming out from the March Reserve Base. Lieutenant.
With the airplane or the people